Lovable Lions. It's Mrs. Gilman here. I have my BFFs all around me, my chickens, my daughter, and my dog. I know you're learning a lot about farm animals this week, so I thought it would be fun to do some farm animal yoga and movement. Mia, my partner, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, guys, when I think of a farm, well, Mia, I should ask you, when you think of a farm, name one animal that you always see at a farm.
I see a cat a lot.
You see a cat a lot because cats always keep mice away. So you definitely need the cats, right? Let's get down on the ground and let's do cat pose. Let's do it, Mia. Alrighty. You're gonna get on all fours. Your hands are on the ground and your knees are on the ground. And all you're gonna do, boys and girls, is you're gonna round your back like a cat. And it's a really, really, really good stretch. Okay, and then you straighten it out. And then you round your back again. And then you straighten it out. Want to do one more time?
Yeah.
Round your back. Oh, feels so good. And then you straighten it out. Excellent job, you guys. Okay. Another pose, another animal that we always see are pigs. Pigs are my favorite. Well, chickens are my favorite, but I love to see pigs. So let's do pig. On the ground, you're gonna sit down, right? This is actually called happy baby pig. Happy baby pose. You're gonna grab your feet and you're gonna lean back and you're gonna rock back and forth. This is called happy baby because it's a pig in mud going back and forth. What?
I roll back.
Doesn't that feel good on your back? You're just rolling around in the mud, just like a pig. Excellent job. Alrighty, what else do we see?
A chicken.
We see chickens.
Speaking of chicken.
You ready? Let's do chicken pose. Okay, you stand straight up. These are your wings. You're gonna bring them, see how my shoulders are like this? Let's bring them back a little bit. So here they are forward, here they are back. So bring your shoulders back, and here are your wings, and start clucking like a chicken. Go ahead, Mia, walk around. You can squat while you do it. You can walk backwards, you can walk forwards, you can walk sideways, you can cluck, you can walk the other way. Excellent job. All right, I always see a dog in a farm. Do you?
Yes.
All right, let's do downward facing dog. I know you guys know how to do this from the Lions class. Everybody on your hands and your knees. Okay, when you're ready, you're just gonna push back up on your feet, just like a dog would. And you stretch. Excellent, and go back to your knees. Let's try that again. You ready? Back on your toes and stretch. Oh, feels so good. You want to do one more, Mia?
Sure.
You're on your knees. Alrighty, let's press back onto your toes and stretch. Excellent job, you guys. That was so good. Mia, let's do a bunny. You see bunnies in the farm, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for the bunny pose, all you're gonna do is pretend you are sitting in a chair, just like that, with your butt a little bit back, right? Just like that. You're gonna bring your arms up to the sky, right? Reaching straight up, and now give me a hop. Remember, you can't hear bunnies, so don't hop too hard. Land really gently. Let's do 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job.
Now donkey.
Oh, I love donkey pose. You ready? Up and down, up and down. Now we're back on our knees. And your hands. And the only thing you want to do is lift one leg up and kick it back. Ready? Let's do that again. Your knee goes in, and then you kick it back. Ready? I'll do one more time. Bring it in, kick it back. I want a nice, strong, straight leg. No flopping around. Donkeys, they really kick, right? So Good, you guys. What do you think? One more pose?
Sure.
Mia has got the best duck pose. Let's do it.
Oh, okay.
So, ducks are always on the farm. And what you do is you stand straight. You bring your knees together, just like this, right? And then you're squatting down a little bit, so you're not standing up, you're squatting down. And then walk, and walk, and walk. And go backwards, and go forward. And go to the right, and go to the left. Ah, this is really hard. You feel that in your legs?
Yeah.
All right, so guys, that was our little yoga class. So listen up. I want you to think of an animal that you see on the farm that we didn't do today. Close your eyes, visualize it, and I want you to come up with your own pose. I mean, if it was a snake, you can slither on the ground. If it's a horse, you can run and gallop. So many options. So I want you to think of something that you see on the farm, make up a pose, and if you want, post it on our Google Classroom site. Mwah, I love you guys so much. Bye.